health conditions such as thyroid issues or endocrine problems. You can find out more information at www.tampathyroid.com or at 813-254-5200 if you'd like to call or go to the website to get more information or schedule a consultation. When we work with people that have chronic health conditions in our office, we take a natural, holistic approach, and we work to make sure that we increase people's health function. People come see us that have thyroid conditions, they have insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, chronic fatigue, digestive issues, and there's a lot of overlap in those different areas. So when people come see us, they have metabolic issues, they have toxic burden issues, and they have brain changes. Many people who have these problems have brain changes such as depression, fatigue, brain fog, memory changes. They also have metabolic problems such as anemias. They have thyroid dysfunction. In your endocrine system, there's over 9 different lab markers to look at for thyroid issues, all the way to see if they have an autoimmune problem such as Hashimoto's. So in our office, we run comprehensive labs to find out the reasons why. People have hormonal imbalances. They have unstable blood sugar, hidden infections. We look for hidden infections in dental, in gut, people have parasitic infections, they have bacterial infections. They have a lot of infections going on that are contributing to their autoimmunity or their general fatigue and why they're not doing good. Food sensitivities is a huge one we work with in our office, and along with chronic inflammation. That's where all that achiness comes from, that chronic inflammation. And toxic burden, we look for things like heavy metals. Heavy metals and pesticide residues are very, very common and contribute to why you may be having signs and symptoms of thyroid problems, especially if your lab tests are normal. Yeah, our office is different and effective because we offer a natural health solution using in-depth whole body approach when we look at people. The other thing is we do proper and thorough lab tests using physiological norms. We have a program in our office we use, it's called blood chemistry analysis, and it looks from the physiological norms and patterns of things that are not working properly so that we can start to fix things. We use nutritional response testing to work with people from a biochemical individuality, meaning when we give you supplementations, we work to make sure that they work. We use custom homeopathics, high-quality nutraceuticals for your specific organ, endocrine system needs or detoxification or infection needs. We do detoxification support in our office utilizing nutrition and dietary changes. We work with autoimmune support, cellular energy and repair using the most powerful pulsed electromagnetic frequency unit on the market. That increases the ability for your cells to have energy so that you can repair and heal. And the other thing is we use this for a lot of brain support with that depression and the brain fog and the lack of clarity. Between fixing the nutritional needs for you to make good neurotransmitters, we put you on a program where you do neurooptimal brain training, and it's neurofeedback to really help improve people's brain function. We have the True Rife machine for healing, and we have the ability, using our nutritional response testing and the techniques with the other lab testing, to actually prioritize your healing patterns so that we can start really working to make you heal and do better. Again, if you'd like more information or see if we can help you, we have more information on our website, tampathyroid.com. If you go there, we have information about consults, we have information about DVDs, more videos, more information about what we do, along with our different seminar and webinar schedules. Thank you very much, and we look forward to helping.